What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. I'm at Mama's house right now. I want to give y'all a few updates. I'm in here working on some trimming, had to redo some painting. And I want to say this. When you're networking with outside contractors, and a lot of times what you need to do, especially when you're buying the materials, is to, if you got a certain specific paint you're using, you would think it'd be evident for them to replace that same kind. These people didn't do that. I bought a Pacific kind of white. Once that piece ran out, they went and got another white. It don't work out like that. So I had to redo the white. It is what it is, man. But you know, certain things in life, as you get to going and building, you learn from them. So just want to give you some updates. But I went to Greenville, got some more white. Still got a few more things to do, family. But I do want to give y'all some updates. So I'm getting closer and closer to my destination. Got stuff going on in the shop. You know, I got my coffee jumping. You know what I mean? It's out here real. So, want to give y'all some small updates. I got to paint the trimming. This is my next stage to fall from that area, then fall in this area. I'm trying to work in a assembly line, so to speak. So when I come back, I'll be summing the trim up in this, painting the door and the trim, painting the trimming in here. And as you see, I stopped here. I got a two-tone base here. I like the way I did this, so the kitchen area be different from the living area. So I got it two-tone from the living area, and when you walk down, I got a two-tone. So this is going all the way down the hallway, and then it's solid gray. It's going to have white trim at the top and at the bottom, like so. So I'm actually proud of it. You know, I was just talking to Mom, you know, saying, man, Mama, you know, man, I hope you like what we're doing. It has been real. It has been real. But things are starting to come along. And wanted to say this too. It's all about the tools you buy. Having the right tools and the equipment can help your job be easier. Don't go cheap on that. You can get things that's reasonable, but don't try to go real cheap and cost yourself more money. Get reliable stuff. We'll be working on this stage next. After we finish everything else, we'll be falling back in here, cleaning off the ceiling. We got a lot of stuff to clean off, to re-prime the ceiling, and then start working on this, getting these vanities out. But I got a lot of updates. I went and got our vanity and toilet. The next thing is to get in here in the shower. I'm looking for some reasonable prices, so anybody know some good deals around, let me know. You know, I'm trying to get things together on the budget, but it's coming. Just want to give y'all some small updates. Hold on.